Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to pay later with Apple Pay. So this feature is very useful, and to know more about it, let's head over to the support.apple.com, wherein we can see this how to set up Apple Pay later. So once you're on that page, you can see right now in here that Apple Pay later lets you split the purchase into 4 equal payments over 6 weeks with no interest or fees. But as you can see in here, Apple Pay later is only available for purchases between $50 and $1,000 made on iPhone and iPad devices that support Apple Pay. So meaning if your purchase is below $50 or above $1,000, then Apple Pay later won't be able to be applied to you. So in order to apply to an Apple Pay later, what you need to do is to be 18 years old of age or older and be a US citizen or lawful resident with a valid physical US address that's not a PO box. So you can set up your Apple Pay with an eligible debit card on your device, and you can use this Apple Pay later down payments using a debit card that you set up earlier. So you also need to set up a two-factor authentication for your Apple ID and make sure that you are updated to the latest version of the iOS in order to do this. And after that, you need to verify your identity with a driver's license or a state-issued photo ID. So if you have what it takes to have an Apple Pay later, what you need to do next is to set up an Apple Wallet. So in there, you just need to head over to your Wallet app. So let's head over to our Wallet app. Here it is. As you can see, mine right now is in setup, but in order to set it up, you just need to click this plus icon right here. And then after you set it up, you just need to verify a lot of details like your name, your address, add some debit cards, and then your photo and all of that. And then after you verify that, you can see this photo right here, which is when you use an Apple Pay, you can see your total payments due and you're due on the next 30 days. You can also see in here the upcoming payments that you will need to pay if you successfully have the pay later with Apple Pay. This is only applicable if you've already purchased something using the Apple Pay later. Another thing is you can see this if you want to buy something and you want to pay to it using the Apple Pay later. As you can see, this person right here is chosen this pay later instead of pay in full, and when you pay later, you can see this breakdown into 4 payments over 2 weeks, 4 weeks, or 6 weeks. As you can see here, it is the breakdown right here, and when you've done that, you can just press on continue and you can now pay for it later on the said dates that is applicable here. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.